Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are now on page 12, lesson 6. And in this lesson, we are going to look at the next vowel, which is a dummah. And a dummah looks like that and makes a oo sound in the Arabic language. So again, oo sound. If I were to look at alif with the dhamma, makes oo. So alif dhamma oo. Ba dhamma boo. Ta dhamma tu. Tha dhamma thu. Jim dhamma ju. Ha dhamma hu. Now, instead of doing that, we are going to say the name of the letter and then the sound. So instead of saying dhamma, I want us to say oo, 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 because that's the sound it makes. Alif oo, oo. Ba oo, boo. Ta oo, tu. Tha oo, thu. Jim oo, ju. Ha oo, hu. Kha oo, khu. Dal oo, du. Like that. Now, like the previous lessons, we will read all of the letters with the dhamma sound. Here we go. Oo, boo, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, dhu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, dhu, ru, ghu, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, u, you. Now for the exercises on the bottom. We have all three now of the vowels. Ju, I, la. Khu, li, qa. Dhu, ki, ra. Su, I, la. Dhu, li, ma. Mu, ni, a. Lu, I, na. Hu, di, ya. Wu, ji, da. Su, qi, ta. Ru, fi, ya. Hu, shi, ra. Hu, bu, ki. Su, hu, fi. U, dhu, ni. Ru, bu, u. A, I, dhu. Ta, zi, ru. Ya, ri, thu. Ya, I, du.